guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today Lydia and I are going to teach you how to make a really cute dog. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to start off by drawing a potato shape.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. And I went over with, I realized that it was kind of thin and you couldn't really see the drawing, so I went over with a darker. Then you're going to draw a tail that's more of like a crescent moon shape on the side. Now we're going to start drawing the legs, so go on the bottom of the potato and do a curve and then go down straight. And then we're going to make another one on the other side. Now we're going to do the head, so a little slanted off the potato, we're just going to draw a circle on top. Next we're going to draw this nose shape, which is slanted off the head, and it's just going to be the shape of a trapezoid. And now we're going to draw the ear, so it's going to be across from the bottom of the trapezoid, and we're going to go up to make like a pointed shape, just straight up. And then we're going to curve back down to the head when it meets. And then we're going to, after you're done, make the other ear, which is just straight up again, just like the middle between the trapezoid and the other ear, and then go curve down back to the head. Now we're going to draw the paw. It's going to be just a oval shape right there between, just right there, just one paw. And then the other paw is going to actually touch that paw, and we're going to go up from the paw and then just draw a straight line, then draw a curve under the arm. Now we're going to draw the ball, which is a little bit above the nose, and then we're going to add the streaks behind it to show that it's being thrown to the dog and the dog's trying to catch it.
Like this?
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is erase it, erase the lines so you can faintly see them, because those are just guidelines. Then we're going to start actually doing the body, and you don't have to erase the ball at all. So now we're going to take from the bottom of the ear and we're going to draw down to the tail like I have there. So now we're just going to draw the top of the ear, and basically we're starting to outline the body. And you want this to be a little darker because it's going to be permanent like. So you can follow along with what I'm doing. Now I'm doing the nose and the face area. And now we're going to start adding the eye, which is right under like the first ear that you see there. And now the nose, just at the corner. And the mouth we're going to do next is more like a smile. And we're going to add a little tongue there. So there's a little space for a tongue, and we're just going to color one side of it darker. So you can see the tongue there. Now from the bottom of the chin, we're going to draw all the way to the first paw, and then we're going to outline the paw. After we're outlining the paws, we're going to add 3 lines to show the claw, and then we're just going to keep going down with the body, and then we're going to do the other claw next, other paw I mean, and we're just basically outlining it and adding 3 claws on it.
Don't forget the fur, or else it's not going to be a dog.
Yeah, so that's what we're adding now, is that you can add fur right there if you want. And now we're doing the legs. You're just outlining them and then adding 3 things on the bottom to make them claws.
Make sure they look like hind legs because it's standing up.
Yeah, and then continue with the other leg and just outlining it and adding the 3 dashes. Now we're finally on to the tail, and we're going to add some fur on it to make it look more like a real dog. You can also erase the guidelines if you still see them like mine.
Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and have fun with your drawings.